This is a super cute, lightweight, puffy quilted tote bag. I was sent a review from Befen, so let me show you a closer look. Here is the bottom. Very thick, a little bit padded, no feet or anything, but depending on what you put in here, it will be self-standing. Here is the back with a luggage strap. Love that. Turning it around. Two gorgeous carry straps. Gorgeous. Here we've got a side compartment here. Another one here. Goes into about here on each side. This is a hidden zippered compartment. It goes the whole way down. Very nice. So they overlap, but they are separate. So this one is on top of this one, which is below. Over here, you have a nice side compartment, good for a water bottle or something. You've got this to kind of close it and secure it. Same thing on the other side. That goes all the way down, so that's gonna be great for water bottles or a compact umbrella perhaps. So that's the outside, and then going on the inside, this does zipper. It's open a little bit on the sides, but it's gonna be very nice to keep things in there. A huge zippered compartment here. Boom. A huge open compartment in the middle. And on the other side, you've got a Velcro compartment. This is padded, so it's gonna be great for a small like tablet, laptop, something like that. That is pretty big. And then here, we've got two little pockets here. Woo! Amazing. This is kind of a gold interior. Beautiful light pink quilted exterior. I love the lighter stitching. It's almost a lavender, more on the pink side, but almost lavender. And then kind of a matching but slightly different color and shine. They do not attach. You can attach them, but it doesn't come with any kind of a Velcro strap or anything there. Absolutely gorgeous and so versatile. And it will hold a ton, whether this is your gym bag or your personal item for a flight. It does have the luggage strap, so you can fill it with all your stuff and then attach it to your carry-on suitcase. A gorgeous bag. Throw it over your shoulder, hold it in the crook of your elbow, wear it as a backpack. I mean, it's really lightweight too. The material it's made of doesn't add much weight to what you're carrying. I've got my Surface tablet over here, nicely protected. Then I could put the rest of my stuff here. Got my hat and gloves, sunglasses, wallet in a pocket here, keys and chapstick in a pocket here. Zip it all closed. Ready to go. So versatile, so cute. I love it, and I know you will too.